Hello and welcome to EPICUR, a European University Alliance connecting educators and students across borders. If you are a curious university teacher or study program coordinator, EPICUR is exactly where you want to be. Keep watching to learn about your opportunities to internationalize your teaching and shape European higher education. Hear from educators how they contribute to EPICUR and benefit from it. So what is EPICUR? EPICUR is a European University Alliance of 9 partner universities across 7 countries. We bundle our resources to deliver educational opportunities that enable teachers and learners to tackle current and future global challenges. To realize this vision, EPICUR values international education that is intercultural, interdisciplinary, inclusive, interactive and innovative. What is unique about teaching in EPICUR? Contributing to higher education in a European University Alliance advances international understanding and is rewarding for everyone involved. Students and educators alike especially appreciate the diverse perspective and fantastic networking opportunities found in EPICUR's collaborative learning environment. In EPICUR, educators across the Alliance develop new teaching and learning formats and shape the future of higher education in Europe. Here's why you might want to join them. 9 partner universities give you access to thousands of fellow teachers. This will help you to find new ways to cooperate and build new formats that complement and supplement what your program offers today, all while expanding your international professional network.
So one thing I would say about EPICUR that is, I think, a real value for anybody who's looking to teach in the EPICUR network is the opportunity to network with other teachers. You get the opportunity to co-teach with faculty who are maybe used to teaching in different academic traditions, different approaches. We have teachers who work together from 3-4 different universities, co-teaching on one course or collaborating on multiple courses. And they develop relationships. We have these courses offered again and again. And these teachers then, the networks multiply by the teachers passing the word on about EPICUR to other instructors. And in that way, we end up having these courses that are really sort of European approach to education. This can be also a very low threshold kind of opportunity where you could look at, for example, collaborating with a teacher who would just come as a guest lecture for one class session, or who might come for a couple of guest lectures for 1 week of a class, or possibly even co-teaching a class where you split up the teaching load into 3 sections of a course.
Whether you want to offer the course of your dreams, reach more students and international participants, or explore new topics. With EPICUR, you can advance your international course options.
C'est interculturel, ça amène vraiment une autre dynamique parce que les étudiants viennent de différents horizons et de différents pays et je dois faire passer un message de façon homogène avec un public vraiment hétérogène. Donc ça me plaît vraiment bien.
Gaining intercultural teaching experience can happen anywhere. With EPICUR, you can teach and learn in intercultural classrooms without leaving your home university.
Here I am connecting for a course every week with students who are sitting at home or at their university from the 9 universities that are partner of EPICUR. As a teacher, it has been a true and completely new experience that allows me to teach to a transnational classroom.
EPICUR also offers tailored teaching development support to meet your needs. Take advantage of experience sharing with our community of practice focused on innovative international teaching and learning. Interested? Join our EPICUR Center of International Teaching and Learning and find out how you can integrate more international learning opportunities into your study program or class. Whether you want to create the course of your dreams, adapt an existing course to allow students participation from partner universities, offer a summer school, collaborate with an educator from another university, find a guest lecturer for your course, or just get inspired. Simply click on your home university's icon and join with your regular university login data. Whether you are new to teaching or bring years of experience, we look forward to welcoming you in our community of practice on international teaching and learning.